Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to change the sender email for your order notification. And this is the email that a customer receives when they place an order. So if your email is not verified, you'll be able to see that this email is sent from the Shopify emails. Okay, so in order to remove this, we need to verify our email address. For doing this, you need to have your domain registrar opened as well as your Shopify admin panel. From your Shopify admin panel, you can go to settings, and from there you have to go to notifications, and you will be able to see this option, sender email. And this is the sender email, and you can see that it's unverified. So this means they have mentioned that because your email domain has not authenticated, recipients may see your email at shopifyemail.com. okay, you have to make this verified in order to receive the email from address as info or your stored email or the sender email. So in order to do that, what you have to do is you have to go to your domain registrar and go to the manage DNS option. Here I'm going to use my GoDaddy account, and I have to go to my DNS settings, and I need to add certain records in order to verify my domain. So for that, I can just click on the configuration, and I can see the configuration option. Okay, so here I need to add the CNAME. Okay, this should be the CNAME. So go back to your GoDaddy account and just click on add new record, and just select CNAME and enter the name here and the value here, and after that you can click on save. You have to add the second as well as the third and fourth records. Okay, so you can do the same way. You can select the type, CNAME, the name and the value. So each time when you enter the new record, GoDaddy will send a code or verification code to make sure that you are the authorized owner to make these changes. Okay, so once you're done with adding all these 4 records, you have to click on authenticate domain. Okay, so once the authenticate domain is done, you will be seeing this message, domain authentication for the email is pending. This can take up to 24 hours. Okay, so once it's done, like you have to wait for a day or so, and you'll be able to see that this email is verified. And after verification, once the customer receive the order, they will be able to see the from email as your sender email, which is mentioned here. Okay, so instead of from Shopify or anything, you can also see it will be directly from your email. Okay, it will be sent directly sent from your email. So this will help you to verify your domain in order for people to trust your website and all. If you have not done this for your store, you can try doing this one, and you will be able to get more trust from the customers. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.